Hello again, this is John at ESP. I wanted to create a short video on how to edit your credit union data. So I'm on the home page here, and first I'm going to go up to Data, and then I'm going to scroll down until I see the credit union I want to edit. And luckily there is an ESP credit union, and I'm going to click on that. And I have been enabled as an editor on this page. In order to become an editor, just give me a call or drop me an email and I can make you an editor on your own specific credit union page. But you can see that there's little pencils everywhere on the screen. So I see an error right here. I'm going to click on the pencil for that, and I'm going to delete this in. Oops. And I'm going to hit save. Now the data has been changed. Now I want to edit the deployments on the bottom of the page. As I scroll past here, you can see that deployment shows up, and there are 3 columns: solution, vendor, and client rating. And I noticed that ESP has been rated a 4-star on account onboarding. I'm going to go in here and click on that guy and make sure it's a 5-star. And now it's been updated. Thanks again for watching this short video.